Hello mga kuanti, ganito po kalaki ang building dito sa church mga kuanti kasi may restaurant po sa taas. So ngayon titingnan natin kung anong ang meron sa taas. So nandito nga pala ako dati, nagtingin-tingin daan sa taas pero hindi ko masyadong, wala pa si Diwa noon, si Gabi lang. Ngayon sinama namin si Diwa. No, ang ganda ng ano mga kuanti, ang luag-luag talaga ng ano church dito mga kuanti kasi iisa lang yung building ng eskwelahan at saka church kasi itong church is ano lang siya kanang walang tao dito. Pag in graduation, my love, there, the ceremony is there.
Depends when they choose to do it, but mostly here.
Yan, ito po kalaki. Ang restaurant.
That's the place right where you have to drop the kids. I take a shortcut because we practice the choir over there.
Okay.
And I look over there, I saw somebody look like Kate. She sit right here. But she have no time to help me dress up the kids to come to church.
Is this restaurant still working? It looks like nothing. It looks like no restaurant anymore, no?
Yeah, you can see that.
Yeah. Tas dito po yung ceremony pag magagraduate yung mga bata. Ayan, oh. Ang ganda dito mga kuanti. Second floor nga pala to mga kuanti. Ali di. Ayan, ang mingaw-mingaw dito Sunday kasi ngayon. Kaya walang masyadong ano. Pag may mga meeting-meeting dito, maluag. Maluag po talaga ang building dito mga kuante. Tapos may restroom doon. Carpet lahat dito mga kuante. Ayan. Nagsiuwian na yung nagsisimba. Amerdi. Oh, di ba? Ang ganda mga kuante. Yan po ang view sa baba. Yan ang view sa baba mga kuante.
There's the other one. Oh,
yeah. Ayan. Ganda dito mga kuante. Ito po yung view dito sa taas. Kaya maluag. Ang gusto namin talaga si Gabi, dito namin ipaaral pag mag-grade 1 na siya. Pero dito mga kuante, ano, private. Oh, okay. Pag dito si Gabi mag-aral, pag mag-graduate siya ng grade 1, kindergarten, dito yung ano, maluag dito. Naka-easy, mga kuante. Pero private lang ito, mga kuante. Let's take around there, around there, my love, in the restaurant. Let's see. Maluag dito, mga kuante. Ganda, ang lamig-lamig. Grabe, no? Ang aircon, ani, pila kay mabayaran nila ba? Grabe kaluag. Aircon everywhere. Grabe katugnaw.
That's why you contribute to church. All the stuff has to be paid.
Restaurant to mga kuante. Might be it's working, my love. Monday to Friday. But not now, no?
I don't guess. Why should I keep guessing? For what? It's not open. It's not open. What are you gonna keep guessing about? You're gonna go, maybe it's open, maybe it's not open. Just go online to check if it's open on Monday.
It's nice. Yan, malaki. Malaki siya mga kuante. Ayan, yun lang mga kuante ang aming. Yeah. Also the balcony. Yung church mga kuante at saka eskwelahan doon sa taas, iisang building lang sila mga kuante.
You see the other class there, that's where they're gonna be pretty soon. And not be pretty soon, I mean they take him out there sometime.
Yeah, that's playground.
From their class, yeah. Okay.
That's nice because it's clean, unlike there in the Wilton Mano. It's sandy.
Yeah, but you keep talking. Did you find out to see if it's private or public?
Looks like private.
Yeah, we wanted to come here, but is it public school or private?
Might be will pay $1,000 a month. No.
This is better for her. You know what you're gonna afford.
Kasi mahal kaya dito mga kuante. Pag private, mahal. Careful ha. Watch your step. Yeah, that's playground over there, down there. Is this real? Plastic. Akala ko real.
Plastic?
It's nice. Yan po yung playground no, kuanti. Pag maglabas yung mga bata, maglalaro-laro kasi meron man silang free time mga kuanti dyan, mga bata.
They take them class to class.
Okay.
Every kid like a half hour, 1 hour.
Okay.
When you come out, some other kid coming in.
It's not that big, but it's okay.
You got more room over there in that other side, under there.
Yeah, that's it only.
Yeah.
That's fine.
Okay. All the stuff for your kids to enjoy.
Yeah.
I like that.
Mag-uwi na kami mga kuanti. Ay, alin na di. Picture, my love, di.